Hello, hello, Scorpio Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for May 12 to 18. So Scorpio, kunin nyo lang po yung resonate ka ha and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Scorpio yun. Kaya patalasan nyo po ang inyong intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na kaloob po sa inyo ni Spirit Guides mo sa ating reading for today. Thank you po ulit sa mga nagdo-donates po saka sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat po sa iyong generosity and kindness at suporta po sa ating channel. Malaking bagay po yun para sa akin. So thank you. So Scorpio, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong May 12 to 18? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Four of Wands. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Chariot card. In the area of what you need, you have the Magician. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Ten of Cups. Lovely. In the area of your future, meron kang the Hermit card. In the area of your challenge this week, meron kang Temperance card. In the area of your fortune, meron kang, wow, the Five of Swords. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang Three of Cups. And in the area of your outcome, you have the Devil card. Ooh, very interesting. Pag-usapan natin yan later. I'm seeing clarity in your life and balance. Parang something is washing away and you are now parang rebirth, reborn. Congratulations, Scorpio. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Nine of Swords. Nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, na this time around, I'm hearing ang dami mong worries. Ang dami mong pressure sa balikat mo, sa puso mo, sa isip mo, sa buhay mo, na parang you have to keep up with the pressure and expectations of other people. Ngayon, parang ang dami mong inaatupag, ang dami mong isinaalang-alang para sa kinabukasan mo or your family. Baka breadwinner ka or ikaw yung sole provider sa buhay ninyo. At ngayon, iniisip mo paano ko to sosolusyonan, paano ko to makapag-provide, paano ko maibibigay yung karampatang pera o sustento o pang-suporta, ganyan, sa family mo. Ngayon, ang dami-dami mong iniisip at minsan hindi ka na rin makatulog sa dami siguro ng utang, sa dami ng kailangan bayaran, sa dami ng kailangan asikasuhin. And I'm seeing here na naapektuhan na rin ang iyong mental health o physical health. Baka meron sa inyo tumataas ng presyon o kaya talaga nakakasakit na physical, lagi nilalagnat o humihina ang resistensya. This is the time for you, Scorpio, na bawasan yung mga stress levels mo. I know, napakahirap. Ang hirap iwasan, tanggalin yung stress and worries. Pero kailangan mo daw itong practicein, Scorpio. There are a lot of ways. You can search on YouTube yung mga meditation, yung mga paraan para kapag solo ka lang, you can meditate and try to relieve and release all those tensions in your life para gumaan-gaan ang lahat. But I'm hearing now, may kailangan ka daw harapin, may kailangan ka daw tumbukin muna because I'm hearing na ang dami-dami mong ginagawa at the same time, Scorpio. So now is the right time for you to really look first on a parang priority-based. Ano una yung lagpasan, ano yung pangalawa, ano yung pangatlo, para hindi ka nahihirapan din. So make sure i-prioritize ang dapat i-prioritize para hindi sabay-sabay, okay? Start tayo sa yung reading. At the center, you have the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is really a celebratory card. Ngayon, nasa isip mo siguro yung goal, yung threshold, yung end game, okay, yung finish line. Meron kang gustong mabuo this time, Scorpio, o gustong matapos. Probably meron kang pinapatay yung bahay kaya sobrang sakit na ng ulo mo o meron kang problems in your family, baka anak ito na nagpapahirap sa iyo ngayon, baka nagiging sakit na siya ng ulo mo and you don't know how to keep the peace in the home. For others, I'm hearing merong mga problema about dun sa ginagawa mo, inaatupag mo. Probably magpapaaral ka ng anak o kaya bibili ng ganito, magbebenta ng property, bibili ng gantong property o kaya yung parang pagtupad dun sa isang goal. Probably baka meron sa inyo nag-iisip ng lilipat ng trabaho o kaya may pinag-iipunan, may pinag-iimpukan, tas ngayon parang hindi suwak sa panahon ngayon, parang hindi pa kasya yung mga babayarin kaya ikaw problemado ka. Parang seeing talaga din sa family matter or in your home. May mga dapat siguro ayusin o may dispute with kapitbahay or may dispute within the family, within the clan or within your in-laws. That's what I'm hearing. So make sure this time around you are having a lot of time, a lot of energy para asikasuhin ito at harapin na head on, okay? So the Four of Wands being clarified by the Page of Swords. Yes, you have to really learn some information, Scorpio, with the Page of Swords. You will get some valuable information. I'm hearing truths, may mga katotohanan na darating sa life mo this time at yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng solusyon sa bagay na ito. I don't know why I'm hearing GC, mga chats, emails, mga pag-uusap I'm hearing this time around, you have to really be brave at kausapin na sila. This valuable information na tatapos sa mga alalahanin mo about your home, about your property, about the relationships in the house, about people na parang feeling mo may gitgitan kayo, pero may isang katotohanan na tatapos sa lahat ng yan na parang this information ay magkakaroon ng kalinawan sa ibang taong yun o sa mga family members na yan na parang pag nakita nila yung side na yun o nalaman nila yung katotohanan na yun, everything will slowly die down, yung mga problema o pag-aaway o dispute, and everything will be okay. But for others, I'm seeing here na kung merong mga threshold na gustong abutin, halimbawa, trabaho o kaya school, graduating, ganyan, or I'm hearing buying things. Kailangan mo daw buhisiin at pag-aralan. Don't sign things na hindi mo pinag-aaralan, especially if you're gonna sign any contract or documents. Make sure na inaaral mo yung every fine prints. Ask questions if you don't understand something in the documents. Make sure na every details ay na-discuss sa'yo bago ka pumirma, because that is the essence of the Page of Swords. Make sure na aaralin mong mabuti bago ka mag-decide. Okay, Scorpio? In the area of what you want, you have the Chariot card. Chariot card's telling you to, parang ikaw gusto mo nang umabante. Gusto mo nang umalis sa status na to, na mga worries mo. I'm hearing you are ready to leave this thing behind. Kating-kati ka na umalis sa status na ito o sa problema na ito. Parang you just said na parang, sige na, matapos lang. I want to start something new. Or you want na magkaroon ng panibagong stage sa life na ito at makatapos sa bagay na ito. I'm seeing someone talaga atat na ring mabayaran o makabayad ng mga monetary na pagkakautang for someone. Ngayon, kapag natapos mo yan, you want to really parang lumipat na o mag-iba na ng direksyon at hindi na makasalamuha yung tao na yun, because that gave you so much pain and also worry and stress. Ngayon, ready ka na to leave something behind with the Chariot card. Parang aalis ka ba, Scorpio? You are traveling somewhere else and now you're thinking, paano na yung mga bagay na naipuntar ko o yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo. Ngayon, iniisip mo kung paano yung transition from one place to another, or you're trying to find another options kung paano magiging smooth yung transition o pag-iwan sa mga bagay na dapat iwanan, pero meron parang may mga titingin ganyan. But here, I'm hearing that you have the freedom to chase and do whatever you want. It's just that this time, kailangan mabusisi yung pagkaplano mo and you have the courage to charge forward. Okay? I'm hearing you are ready. Parang napag-isipan mo na to for a very long time. Kaya lang may hesitancy in your part if when and how you're gonna start moving or changing or parang magbibigay ka ng tuldok sa isang bagay. But I'm hearing that you are protected by the constellations, by the spirits above. You can do this and you are guided on the right path. Okay? The Chariot cards being clarified by the Five of Pentacles. Yes, gusto mo na makaalis sa struggles na to. There are things in your life ngayon na talagang sobrang hirap. Pwedeng you have no money o kaya you have no resources o maraming utang talaga, maraming mga aberya and problema in your home or in your family. And ngayon gusto mo nang kumawala sa mga problema na ito. You want to move on. Probably literal, parang gusto mo nang umalis, gusto mo nang lumipat. You want to change something. Probably baka gusto mo na rin lumipat ng pagkakakitaan so that mas makahanap ka ng better o makaland ka on a better job with a better salary or a better salary grade or financial stability, ganyan, na parang stable yung pagkakakitaan so that hindi ka na makabalik sa struggle life na ito. I'm seeing someone na parang feeling mo you are left alone in the past o ngayon, pero feeling mo you're so alone. Para mag-isa ka lang na sumusubok o gumagawa o nagde-decide sa bagay na ito and nobody's there to help you, to assist you. Kaya ngayon parang gusto mo na mag-chase ng something else. You want to try something new in your life para sakaling magbago ang lahat sa buhay mo. In the area of what you need, you have the Magician card. Magician's card is a manifestation card telling you that you have everything that you need para makapag-start. You have everything that you need para ma-manifest mo, yung minamanifest mo sa life mo. Si Magician, nasa kanya lahat ng tools, sa kanya lahat ng skills, ready na siya para makaalis sa status na to. Kaya ikaw, you just have to start. You just have to manifest. Yung manifesting kasi, it's all about you attracting the energy. Pero kapag nakuha mo ng energy, you should have to act on it. You should you should take a cautious effort para isimulan yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-manifest. So make sure this time around na may active participation ka sa pag-acquire ng manifestation mo. Darating naman siya eh. It's just that kailangan mo rin ma-convince sa sarili mo that you are deserving of this manifestation at para ituloy mo siya, maipanganak mo siya at makip mo siya sa life mo, okay? The Magician card is being clarified by the Five of Wands. Five of Wands is all about you learning from a certain conflict or dispute. Like I said kanina, may mga pagkatalo talaga dito sa mga usaping pamilya or workmates or someone in your group. Meron kayong mga competition or conflict, hindi pagkakaunawan with someone. And I'm hearing with the clarification ng the Magician card, sinasabi niya na meron kang matututunan sa mga conflict na ito, sa mga pagkatalo na ito, sa mga competition na ito o dispute with someone. Parang take the best out of those disputes. Ano yung natutunan mo doon na mag-emphasize sa skills mo at ano yung mga dapat mong tanggalin sa sarili mo. Kasi for sure, may mga binabato din sila sa'yo against you that may realize mo, ay baka tama nga yung sinasabi nila against me. And then, doon mo may evaluate na kailangan mong baguhin yon, kailangan mong tanggalin yon so that matira sa'yo yung mga skills na magaganda for you na mag-benefit ka moving forward. And use those things bilang iyong tools and start para magawa mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mong simulan. And I'm hearing, start now because you have the malakas na manifestation powers para ma-accomplish mo ng tamang-tama yan, okay? Kaya learn from all the conflicts and then live. Iwanan mo na yung mga conflict na yan. Learn also to forgive and forget and also kunin mo yung mga valuable lesson na makukuha mo from those conflicts and disputes, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups, you want to have talaga sanity, katahimikan, harmony, parang matapos ng away, matapos ng gulo. Just want to have a very beautiful relationship with your kids, with your family members. Parang ngayon gusto mong ibalik yung stability at magandang relasyon sa buong pamilya mo para matapos na yung kanagahan. I'm hearing someone also there ay may sakit. Baka ngayon naman problema ka for a family member na may sakit. Kaya isip ka ng isip ng paraan kung paano siya maayos, kung paano siya mapapagamot, especially here with the Page of Swords na nagre-research ka din. You're asking other people kung ano pwedeng remedy. But for some talaga nakikita ko for other Scorpio na meron kang aayusin sa pamilya mo or sa bahay mo at nag-uugat yan sa paghahangad mo na magkaroon ng masagana, masaya at maayos na buhay for all of them. Kaya ngayon nag-research ka talaga long hard enough on how to accomplish this. Kaya lang sa ngayon talagang sobrang pagod ka na, you're so tired already and feeling mo walang ibang nakakatulong sa'yo o walang nagbibigay sa'yo ng assistance to accomplish this. And on this struggle, you want to get out of this struggle at ready ka na to move on. Kaya lang this time around, paano at saan at kailan. Ano? The Ten of Cups being clarified by the Ace of Swords. Yes, you want to have a one big plan. You want to have a huge clarity in your mind. Parang, God, ibigay mo sa akin yung magandang plano, yung kalinawan ng isip so that you can think clearly at magawa mo yung right step. Step forward for happiness. I'm saying here na talagang malakas ang effort mo to do this. Parang ikaw yung nag-i-initiate na parang, sige, guys, ayusin na natin to, kalimutan na natin to mga gusot-gusot para natin to masasolve. Kahit na hirap ka na, ikaw pa rin yung nagkukusa na magawa yon. And you've been praying for this one big plan kung paano siya ma-accomplish. Parang, God, I need an idea, I need a solution. And I'm hearing here na ngayon handa ka nang kausapin sila because Ace of Swords is also about a card of communication. Now is the right time for you, your family members or co-workers, kung kanino naman po kayo gusto mong maayos ang mga problema or may concern ka o may issue sa mga yan, parang ikaw yung mag-i-initiate ng pag-uusap. Ngayon, bibigyan mo ng time yung kabilang panig na magsalita and also you. And then doon magkakaroon ng parang mending of broken hearts o kaya broken promises or either mga bagay na parang miscommunication in the past. Ngayon, magkakaroon na kayo ng malinaw na pag-uusap, malinaw na rin sa isip mo kung paano mo atakihin yung approach and then the harmony will come back. That's what I'm hearing. Magiging maayos din ang lahat. But in the near future, I'm seeing here the Hermit card. You, parang naintindihan mo na parang this time around, pagkatapos ng gusot na ito at magawa mo na yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, makaalis ka na at gawin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin noon-noon pa at natuto ka sa mga naganap na ito, sa mga quarrel, disputes, pag-aaway, mga drama and conflict. I'm hearing na in the near future, sarili mo ang iisipin mo. Sarili mo naman ang papahalagahan mo. Maraming kayong natutunan sa stress na to, sa problema na ito, na parang, okay, pag pala na problema ako lang ang mag-isa mag-aasikaso. Wala pala akong aasahan na ibang tao. Now you finally understand that in life, you don't need to be dependent on others. At masakit kapag na-realize mo na wala ka palang aasahang ibang tao. Now, in the near future, I'm seeing you a very, very strong Scorpio na dependent ka na sa sarili mo. You have your own money, you have your own work, you have your own pagkakaabalahan na hindi ka nakakatok at dedepende pa sa ibang tao. Hindi ka na aasa sa isang bagay na parang feeling mo hindi naman naibigay sa'yo. Kahit na deserve mo naman yun. Kaya ngayon I'm seeing you a very empowered Scorpio in the near future. You're now having the light in your life ngayon. Parang nakita mo na yung purpose mo, yung new purpose mo. Parang bagong buhay ito sa'yo, Scorpio, that hindi ka naaasa sa ibang tao at hindi ka na naaasa sa hatid nila sa'yo. Ngayon, you know yourself, you know your self-worth. Alam mo na parang ito yung makakaroon ka ng soul's journey para sa iyo. Parang soul searching ito. And once nahanap mo na yun, nothing and no one can bring you down. At wala ka na rin ibang taong aasahan na magpapakasakit sa iyo. Okay, you are now a better, a wiser Scorpio na naiintindihan mo na okay, I need to trust myself more. The Hermit card is being clarified by the Seven of Cups. Yes, kapag naano mo yon, kapag nakamit mo na tong status na ito, kapag nalagpasan mo lahat ng ito, Scorpio, and you're now as a wiser Scorpio, you will get some options or doors opening up for you with the Seven of Cups here. Ngayon, kapag naintindihan mo na, okay, asikasuhin ko na lang ang sarili ko, yung mga bagay na para sa akin, bubuuin ko yung sarili ko kung ano yung mga gusto ko, saan ako pupunta, ano yung mga pangarap ko, ano yung path ko, saka magbubukas pa unti-unti yung mga other doors or options na pwede mong pasukan, pwede mong gawin, pwede mong simulan. And it will bring you a brand new start in your life at makakawala ka na sa Nine of Swords or stress moment na ito. Okay? In the area of your challenge this week, Scorpio, you have the Temperance card. Temperance card is telling you to have more patience. Marami kang dapat gawin at asikasuhin, especially sa pagbabate o pag-aayos sa mga bagay na ito. Maraming quarrels talaga and drama sa buhay mo this time with other people. And gusto mo lang talaga makawala na dito, kaya gusto mong ayusin agad-agad para matapos na yung issue, matapos na yung problema, makawala ka na at makaalis ka na. This time around, this is something na kailangan mong tutukan at magkaroon ka na mahabang pasensya because this will not be very, very easy for you. Like the Temperance card, sinasalin niyang mabuti, paulit-ulit, pabalik-balik yung tubig sa dalawang cups. And I'm really feeling na ikaw maingat ka din. You don't want to complicate things. Ayaw mo din lumaki yung gulo. Pero handa kang ayusin ito. Pero nakikita ko dito na if you can't solve things, ask other people's help too. Na magkaroon din sila ng initiative to work on this. Parang same effort. Kung ano yung effort nilalaan mo, dapat magkaroon din sila ng same effort. Now is the right time talaga para magkaroon ka ng communication with them. Harmony and peace is something na talagang challenge sa'yo this time. Yung katahimikan, kasaganahan, yung maayos na relationship, yun ang challenge this time. Kaya magkaroon ka na mahabang pasensya, especially kung aayusin mo talaga ito. Kung ikaw lang yung nag-iisang tao dyan na talagang matino at willing na ayusin to mga gulo na ito, I'm hearing na ikaw lang din ng kailangan talaga maging matatag this time. The Temperance cards being clarified by the Hierophant. Yes, like I said kanina, kailangan mo ng someone that will help you para ayusin ito. I'm hearing na this is someone that you value yung kanilang advice, you value yung kanilang opinions. They are very, very wise people. Pwede lola mo ito o kaya pinsan mo o tito mo. Someone that is older, wiser, that will give you the best approach kung paano aayusin to mga bagay na ito. I'm also I'm so sorry. I'm also seeing here na kailangan doon ng spiritual blessing. Maybe ask all of your family members or group mates to go to church and meditate more and have some spiritual journey. Parang ngayon yung pagkakataon na mas kumapit ka daw kay God, mas kumapit ka sa yung spiritual power para ma-handle mo lahat ng ito, makayanan mo yung patience na required from you. Okay, Scorpio? In the area of your fortune this week, Scorpio, you have the Five of Swords. Five of Swords telling you, parang you're gonna win the argument or the battle or the issue and you are now ready to move on. May ganong aspeto dito na parang okay, ano man ang mangyari sa aayusin ko ito sa mga gulong-gulo na ito. At the end of all of this, you will come out of this situation na wala kang guilt, wala kang problema. Na parang, okay, ginawa ko lahat ng effort ko, nasa inyo na yan kung paano nyo iti-take. I'm seeing here na worth it lahat ng gagawin mo sa grupo na ito ng pag-aayos o pag-aasikaso. Pero sa huli, hindi ikaw ang problema. Hindi ikaw ang may iwang sawi. You will win something in this. You will gain something from this. And ikaw sa dulo ang talagang lalabas na okay, walang problema, walang bigat sa konsensya mo that you are living this conflict or living this situation na bukas ang mata mo and you are clear of your conscience. Congratulations, Scorpio. The Five of Swords being clarified by The Six of Wands, yes, victorious kang lalabas sa sitwasyon na ito. Parang worth it ang lahat ng ito. You will get the better end of this situation and people will applaud you kasi ikaw talaga yung uri ng tao na very, very matured. Very, very matured sa sitwasyon na ito at kinaya mo siya at people are saying na, uy, galing naman ni Scorpio. Nagawa niya lahat yun na ayos niya yung gusot, na siya ang naging leader at siya ang nag-initiate and people will appreciate you. Talaga i-congratulate ka. For some, parang nakuha din nila, na-embody nila yung ginawa mo, yung process na ginawa mo, yung paano mo inatake yung isang bagay at paano mo hinarap. Magiging inspiration ka for others and you will come out of this on top. Congratulations, Scorpio. In the area for divine advice, you have the Three of Cups. Three of Cups is telling you now is the right time for you to really relax, Scorpio. Relax ka muna. Especially with the Nine of Swords here. Matutunan mo rin daw mag-relax and also have some more time with yourself. I know this card is like gathering and celebration with other people, pero nakita ko dito na sometimes enjoy the celebration on your own because not all of them are really there to celebrate you and be there for you. Iba ito ha sa sinasabi ko dito na people are gonna appreciate you at talagang believe sila sa'yo kasi natapos may problema na ito. Ito yung ibang tao to eh. Ito yung parang close sa'yo eh. Mga taong nagiging ugat nitong gulo na ito. Sila ito. I'm hearing na this time around you have to celebrate your own happiness, your own victories. Hindi mo kailangan sabihin lagi sa iba o i-share sa iba yung meron ka. That's what I'm hearing. Now, learn and see kung sino yung mga tao para sa'yo at kung sino yung hindi. Sino yung dapat nasa circle mo. Sino yung dapat nakakaalam ng mga private things mo, yung private nilalaman mo, yung stories mo, yung kung ano yung sino ka talaga. Parang piling-piling tao lang dapat nakakaalam nun. And not everyone deserves your company. Not everyone deserves to be happy nakasama ka. Parang yung happiness, i-keep mo yan sa'yo. Parang hindi nila deserving na maging parte sila nun because you know na hindi sila seryoso at totoo sa'yo, okay? Know your tribe. Know the people that authentically loves you and there for you, okay? The Three of Cups being clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, yes. Parang ito talaga yung bagay na kailangan mo i-work on, Scorpio, this time. Is to know the right people in your life. Yung totoong taong nandyan for you and who are not really there na talagang masaya para sa'yo. Because nararamdaman ko yung feeling of dishonesty and yung mga tao na talagang, okay, masaya sila kasama, lagi sila nandyan, pero pagkatapos lagi ng mga kasiyahan o pag-gathering, lagi may chismis na mag-a-arise, lagi may issue na mag-a-arise, lagi may drama na mag-a-arise. So this time around, learn to evaluate kung sino yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. Work on this because it is something na magiging beneficial for you in the near future, okay? Ang yung outcome na napakaganda pag-usapan natin later. But first, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Unang-una, we have a fortune card messages ng kaloob sa iyo ng spirit guides mo. Ano yung mga additional messages na gusto nilang malaman mo this time around? First, you have butterfly, a change for the better. Yes, may mga kailangan ka talagang baguhin para maging maayos ang iyong buhay moving forward, okay? Ito yung talagang transformation for you and your family, kaya kailangan mo itong daanan at gawin. Another message, feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Oh, like I said here, may mga tao ka daw na sa paligid mo na hindi kailangan pagkatiwalaan at hindi maaasahan, okay? At hindi totoo sa'yo, hindi daw sincere ang pakikitungo sa'yo, like I've said kanina. And you have to work on this, okay? Another message, you have bat. Take care, enemies are working against you. Like I've said. Kaya piliin ang mga taong para sa'yo. Kaya make sure that you know your people. You know kung sino talagang dapat para sa'yo, okay? Another message, you have bag. Something important such as a new job or a raise. Wow! So may magkakaroon ka na ng bagong trabaho o aumento sa sahod. So congratulations. Another message, you have vulture, depression, anxiety. Like I said here, worry that someone is against you. Ngayon, marami ka talagang pinaproblema against other people. Pwedeng bahay nga ito o workplaces. Malakas ang tawag dito sa mga cards. Probably your circle, the people na you work with, or people na friend groups na kailangan mo nang iwasan because they are not really true to you. Kaya kailangan mo daw ito tignan mabuti kung sino itong mga taong ito. Kilalanin mo silang mabuti, okay? The other messages, you have ear. Good news. Wow, may darating sa'yo yung good news this time. Congratulations, Scorpio. Another message, you have bowl. Plenty of material things. Wow, congratulations. Meron darating sa'yo na bountiful, bountiful gifts of beautiful, beautiful material things. Pwedeng pagkain, ari-arian, o kaya makakabili ka ng sarili mong sala set, ganyan, pwedeng ganyan. So, congratulations kung ano man po yung darating na magagandang material things sa life mo. Another message, you have fox, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Ngayon daw, maging maparaan ka at maging matipid ka sa iyong mga usaping negosyo o kaperahan. Okay? Another message, you have chain of events that will affect your life. So ngayon meron daw mga sunod-sunod na mangyayari sa buhay mo na kailangan mo daanan na makaka-apekto sa iyo in the near future. So ngayon kung talagang ito'y dadaanan mo yung proseso ng pag-iisip ng paraan para maayos ang gusot with other people, and now you're gonna have the tools and you will learn from this, magkakaroon ka ng communication. So this is something na kailangan mong daanan sunod-sunod para makuha mo yung beautiful, beautiful ending. Okay? Another message, you have Vine. Seek out information that will help you. Like I said kanina here, with the page of Swords, may mga impormasyon ka kailangang aralin talaga. At may mga impormasyon kang dapat malaman. Like I said kanina, na makakatulong sa'yo, mga katotohanan na makakatulong sa'yo. Additional information about this home setting or work setting na involve ka this time para maayos pa rin dapat ayusin. Okay? Ito ang area na kailangan pag-focus on this whole week. Scorpio, you have failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. So kung meron ka mga bagay na inaasikaso at feeling mo down ka o nag-fail ka, huwag mo daw isipin na mahina ka o sirang-sira na ang lahat. Make sure that you learn from all the mistakes and you always have the time and opportunity to bounce back and do another round at maka-try ka ulit. Try lang ang try. Huwag mong isipin na talunan ka because you can have a lot of chances in life. Okay, Scorpio? Especially in your outcome, ito very interesting. You have the Devil card. Now, sa dulo na to, matatanto mo na kung sino yung mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon, mga aspects sa life mo na kailangan mo nang putulin. Kailangan mo nang iwan. Probably the toxic friends, toxic work groups, toxic workmates, mga kamag-anak na kailangan mo na talaga putulin ang relasyon mo sa kanila because you're gonna realize na puro stress, problema lang ang dulot nila sa buhay mo this time. Ngayon parang yung core group mo na lang isipin mo, family mo, anak mo, magulang mo, yung talagang mga totoong dapat may care ka sa kanila at may care din sila sa iyo. Yung authentic ang kanilang relationship with you. Ngayon parang unti-unti mo daw paliitin lang yung circle mo. What I mean is, kung sino lang talaga yung dapat deserving ng mga private life mo, private things, pera mo, effort mo, time mo. Yung ibang tao, acquaintances na lang yan. Mga kakilala lang pero hindi friends. Kakilala lang pero hindi family, no? Ngayon ang time din na parang baguhin mo rin yung mindset mo na this with the Nine of Swords, parang huwag ka nang magpapaka-down sa mga problema. Learn to always rise up and do better. Ngayon, always think positive. Kaya patuloy mo yung mga nega mong iniisip. You always have options. You always have solutions. Kaya ngayon, baguhin mo rin yung mindset mo, yung habit mo everyday. Parang this really like cleansing things. Babaguhin ang lahat ng bagay so that everything will come for a better life for you, Scorpio, okay? The Devil cards being clarified by the King of Swords, yes. Meron kang dapat panindigan this time. May puputulin ka talaga na ugnayan, connection with other people. I'm hearing na kailangan mo na daw magsalita. Magsalita ka na, speak to them na, oy, hindi ko na kayo pwedeng kausapin o kaya this is the last time na parang iiwas ka na and you're putting down the boundaries against these other people. At ito'y panindigan mo because this will change your life for the better. May paggaan, may pag-ayos, mawawala na yung stress. So, speak up and gawin mo na ito. Cut your cord with other people. Cut the connections with other people na alam mo hindi na para sa'yo. Okay? At di na makakatulong sa'yo moving forward. Have the courage to do that para linisin yung buhay, linisin yung energy in your life and makabangon at makamove forward na. Okay, okay Scorpio? That is your May 12 to 18 reading. Sa po kayo nakarate, sa po kayo nakaresonate. Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.